10 Best Battery for Ford F-150 EcoBoost 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford Lincoln Positive Battery Terminal. Facing a faulty positive battery terminal on your Ford or Lincoln? There's a smarter way than replacing the entire cable assembly. This isn't just a money-saving fix. It's a precision-engineered alternative designed to save you time and money. Our terminal allows direct replacement of just the damaged part, easily mounting your factory battery fuse with its straightforward bolt-on solution. Forget hunting for specialized crimping tools. Our clever bolt-on clamp securely connects your existing cable in minutes. We understand the importance of a perfect match, so simply input your vehicle's make, model, and trim into our garage tool to confirm fitment. Get a reliable connection and keep your hard-earned cash where it belongs, in your pocket. Number 9. Ford Positive Battery Terminal Clamp. Experiencing battery issues with your Ford? A failing positive terminal can be frustrating, but replacing it is easier than you think with the Coolant Positive Battery Terminal Clamp. This high-quality, direct-fit replacement is specifically engineered for certain Ford vehicles, ensuring a seamless swap. Crafted from premium tin brass, it guarantees maximum current flow and superior corrosion resistance, far outlasting iron or zinc alternatives without cracking. Its intelligent bolt-on design eliminates the need for special crimping tools, allowing for effortless installation and the ability to securely mount your factory fuse. With multiple connection points, linking cables is simple, getting you back on the road swiftly and safely. Trust Coolant for a durable, reliable connection that keeps your Ford powered. Number 8. Engine Anti-Freeze Coolant. Looking to safeguard your prized marine personal crafts engine? Our specialized engine anti-freeze coolant is precisely what you need. Engineered specifically for the unique demands of marine environments, this advanced formula offers unparalleled protection. Say goodbye to the worry of freezing temperatures causing costly damage during off-season storage, and prevent overheating during those intense summer runs. This single pack delivers robust corrosion resistance, extending your engine's lifespan and maintaining peak performance. It's more than just anti-freeze. It's comprehensive engine care in one expert-grade solution. Trust our coolant to keep your personal watercraft running smoothly and reliably, ensuring more time on the water and less time in the shop. Give your engine the protection it deserves. Number 7. Ford Black Socket Assembly. When it comes to maintaining your Ford, precision and reliability are paramount. That's why we're proud to offer the Ford Black Socket Assembly, a truly genuine OEM component. This isn't just a socket. It's the socket engineered by Ford specifically for your vehicle. Opting for genuine OEM means you're investing in an exact factory match, guaranteeing flawless fitment and seamless electrical performance. Forget the guesswork and potential headaches of aftermarket parts. With OEM, you ensure your vehicle's intricate systems function exactly as intended, preserving its original safety standards, long-term durability, and overall value. Make the smart choice for authentic Ford quality and enjoy peace of mind on every journey. Number 6. Negative Battery Terminal. Is your vehicle struggling with intermittent power issues or corrosion around the battery? It might be time for a fresh start. Introducing the new BT4Z 14450 BA Negative Battery Terminal Clamp. This isn't just any terminal. It's an OEM original, ensuring a perfect, direct fit and super easy to install experience. Say goodbye to frustrating installation headaches and hello to reliable power delivery. While it's a direct replacement for Ford Edge, its versatile design makes it an acceptable replacement for a range of popular models like the F-150, Explorer, Expedition, Focus, Fusion, and more. Upgrade your connection with confidence and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Don't let a faulty terminal leave you stranded. Number 5. Ford F-Series Battery Fuse and Terminal Kit. Is your 2011 to 2014 Ford F-150, F-250, Lobo, or Mark LT experiencing electrical problems? Restore flawless operation with our premium AL3Z 14526 AA battery fuse and terminal kit. This direct fit replacement matches OEM specifications, ensuring perfect compatibility and a seamless repair for your F-Series truck. It's a complete kit, not just a fuse. You receive the dual-rated 250/125 amp fuse link, BT4Z 14450 AA positive battery terminal, all necessary nuts, and heat shrink. Engineered for critical alternator and starter protection, Its professional-grade design guarantees reliable circuit safeguarding. Installation is straightforward for both mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, getting you back on the road quickly. Trust its factory-grade quality, made to exact production vehicle standards. Number 4. Ford Negative Battery Clamp. Edge F-150 Explorer Escape. Is your Ford experiencing power issues or a corroded battery connection? Restore reliable, consistent power with our new BT4Z 14450 BA Negative Battery Terminal Clamp. This isn't just any clamp, it's a genuine OEM original, guaranteeing a direct fit and factory-grade quality for your vehicle. Installation is refreshingly easy. We've even included the automotive-grade M6 nut, so you have everything needed for a quick, secure replacement, saving you time and hassle. While it's a perfect direct replacement for the Edge, its robust design makes it an excellent, acceptable solution for a wide range of Ford models, including the F-150, Explorer, Expedition, Focus, Fusion, and more. Trust in an OEM component to get your power back with confidence and ease. Number 3. 2015 to 2022 Ford/Lincoln 2.7L Water Pump. Keep your 2015 to 2022 Ford or Lincoln 2.7L engine running cool and strong with our brand new D&J water pump. We understand the importance of reliability, which is why we meticulously selected D&J as our exclusive provider. With over 30 years of proven quality, experience, and trust, D&J components ensure your vehicle's cooling system performs flawlessly. This pump is engineered for a perfect fit in your F-150, Edge, or Continental 2.7L V6. You get the peace of mind that comes with a fresh, high-quality part, handpicked by experts who prioritize your long-term satisfaction. Drive confidently, knowing your engine is protected by a brand you can trust. Number 2. Ford 3.5L EcoBoost Right Turbocharger 2013 to 2016. Is your Ford 3.5L EcoBoost not performing like it used to? Bring back that exhilarating power with our brand new Right Turbocharger, specifically engineered for your 2013 to 2016 F-150, Expedition, or Transit series. Designed to meet or exceed OE specifications like DL3E6K 682AE, this turbo ensures a precise fit and seamless integration. Experience the difference our careful manufacturing makes, delivering improved turbine power for responsive acceleration and efficiency. This isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade in reliability. Plus, drive with absolute confidence thanks to our 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Get ready to unleash your Ford's true potential and enjoy the road again. Number 1. F-150 Expedition Battery Blanket, 2015 to 2023. Give your F-150 or Expedition battery the ultimate protection it deserves with our premium battery blanket, perfectly tailored for 2015 to 2023 models. 760 amp group 48 KL3Z 10A687A. Engineered with a double-layer, heat-insulating, high-density fabric and an internal buffer layer, it effectively absorbs 70% of damaging vibrations. This means your battery consistently maintains its optimal operating temperature, warm in the brutal cold, cooler in extreme heat, ensuring reliable starts every time. Not only does this robust construction protect against external damage and deformation, but it also significantly extends your battery's lifespan. Invest in consistent performance and avoid costly, premature replacements. It's the smart choice for year-round battery health. So, that sums up my 10 best battery for Ford F-150 EcoBoost. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next